Yeah, in this video, we're going to take a look at two examples on indices. Yeah, these questions I got them from an exam question, and I feel like I should share it with you guys. Yeah, because I already did a video on indices before, so I might be kind of finding some questions challenging, and I feel this video should help by God's grace. Yeah, so that's it. So I already dropped the link to the indices video, the video I did on indices, in the description. So kindly check it. Yeah, thanks. So let's see this question now. We have something like this: 3 raised to power 2y plus 1 means 3 raised to power 2y multiplied with 3 raised to power 1. Yeah, so that's it. Then 9 means, as the word implies, simplifies. You have to break each variable down. So 9 means 3 raised to power 2y multiplied with 2 raised to power 2, multiply with these 2, then everything over. 18 means 9 multiplied with 2 raised to power y, then 2 raised to power y. 6 means 3 multiplied with 2 raised to power 2y, and we have 3 raised to power 2y multiplied with 3 raised to power 2y come together. Then I will have 2 raised to power 1 multiplied with 2 raised to power 4y. Yeah, then I have 9 means 3 raised to power 2, then multiplied with this I have 2y multiplied with 2y, then I have this 3 raised to power 2y multiplied with 2 raised to power 2y. Yeah, I just opened the bracket. So we have 3 raised to power this, we just cancel this. So then I'm left with 3 raised to power 1 multiplied with 2 raised to power 4y over 2 raised to power y plus, from the law of indices, there was a law I gave, a to the power of n multiplied with a to the power of n, like this. It means a to the power of n plus n. Yeah, something like that. So then we move on to this 2y, then multiplied with nothing, so with 1. So that's just it. So we have 3 raised to the power of 1 multiplied with 2 raised to the power of 4y over 2 raised to the power of 4y. Y plus 2y, we have 4y multiplied with 1. So this cancels this. Then we are left with 3 raised to the power of 1 means 3. Yeah, so that's the answer. We have 3 as the answer. So I have another method to this. Yeah, a liter to this. So I could just say let y equals any integer, e.g. for this case I could say y equals 1. Any integer, it could be negative, it could be negative 300. I did a question like this in my previous video, and I introduced this method of solving questions like this. You could say negative 1 million, any value, but just make it a very small value, So although negative values are still smaller than 1, I just prefer to use 1. So we have 3 raised to the power of this plus 1, 9 raised to the power of 1. So anywhere I see 1, I put, anywhere I see y, I put 1 instead. Then 2 raised to the power of 1 multiplied with 6 raised to the power of this. Then we have 3 raised to the power of 2 times 1 means plus 1, that's 3 raised to the power of 3 multiplied with 9 multiplied with, because 9 raised to the power 1 is 9, anything raised to the power 1 is still the number. Then we have 2 over 18 multiplied with 2 multiplied with this. So I have 3 raised to the power of 3 is 27, then multiplied with 9 multiplied with 16 over 18 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 36. Yeah, so 9 here 1, 9 in 36 is 4. Then I have this like this, 4. 2 here is 1, then 2 in this guy, then 2 here 1. Sorry, there are other better methods or better ways I could have done this division, but it doesn't really mean so. It's 27 over 9 that we have left, and that's 3. Yeah, so that's it. So let's see the second question. The second question is, if this is this, find the value of y. So we could just say y to the power of y multiplied with root y means y to the power of 1 over 2. So this y, this y, I split it up. Then root y means y to the power of 1 over 2 multiplied with y. So then I have y to the power of y raised to the power 1 multiplied with y raised to the power 1 over 2 equals y raised to the power 1 multiplied with y raised to the power y over 2. Then I have y from the law of indices, from this I could just add up, and I had this also up, the powers. Then I have y raised to the power of 3 over 2 equals y to the power of 3y over 2. So I could say equating powers. If I equate the powers, I have y to the power of 3 over 2 equals 3y over 2, because these are the powers. So I equate the powers. So I could just say divide both sides by 3. By y. So divide both sides by y. Why did I divide both sides by y? So that I can have the y that we're asked to find on one side and numbers on one side. So we have this, something like this, over y raised to the power of 1, equals 3 over 2. Then I have y to the power of y to the power of 3 over 2 minus 1 from the law of indices. Then this y raised to the power of 1 over 2 equals 3 over 2. Then I say multiply 2 with the power of both sides. So something like that. Then I have y to the power of 1 over 2 multiplied with 2. Then 3 over 2 multiplied with 2, like this. Therefore my y is 9 over 4. So that's it. So you could check, put it there, you get the answer. So thanks for watching this video. I hope it has helped you. If so, please click on the subscribe button, and if you haven't subscribed before, and also click on the like button, and lastly, share to as many students as you can share it to. Thanks.